Kakain muna kami sa labas, guys, ng breakfast. Si Sam ayaw sumama. So, makakalabas din ako, guys. Kasi, hindi ako nakalabas ng bahay since dumating kami kasi nga may jet lag pa. May jet lag pa nga ako ngayon, konti na lang. Pero kailangan kong lumabas ng bahay para makahinga naman sa labas kasi lagi ako nasa loob ng bahay. Tulog lang, ganyan. So, hindi sasama si Sam. Napagod daw siya. Ayaw niyang sumama. So, si Shelby, ako, si Sawyer, at saka si asawa lang ang aalis.
Hey, Sawyer, come on. Shelter, will you buckle and be
I need to fix my hair.
Okay.
I'll be really quick. I just need to get some gel, rub it on my hair.
You don't have to do a gel.
Look at my hair.
Just with,
Can I just use a hat?
I asked Samantha again.
She said no.
No, he doesn't want to go. Yep. She said she's tired.
Yeah, I mean, we're all suffering from it. It might be a week before.
Yeah. Ooh. Para ako nakalabas sa preso, guys. Medyo malamig-lamig sa labas. Tapos Wendy pa. Yan yung Wendy. Sa maagang morning. Sa labas kami kakain. Dahil sabi ni asawa kailangan naming lumabas. Tapos mamaya wala kasi kaming groceries dito sa bahay, guys. Pupunta kami ng Costco. Kasi wala na kaming mga pagkain. Andito na kami, guys, sa sasakyan. Amoy bago yung sasakyan ko. Dahil 2 months na hindi andar. Come on. Ayan, Main Street Cafe. Diyan kami kakain. $7 AM. Ah, this one? This is the door? Oh.
Move, Sawyer, move.
Ayan, si Sawyer, may dalawang pancake. Ooh, that looks good. Shelts.
I like pancake.
You like pancake?
Yes.
You like it? Oh, there's pancake too. Oh, there's include pancake. This one here.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll bring some. Anything else you guys need?
No, we're great, thank you. Did you order your eggs scrambled?
No,
Mine.
Oh, okay.
Mine.
They're right over there.
Wala si Sam. Here's the pork shells. What?
I'm gonna sit my mom.
Come on here. Come here.
Mom,
Come here. Your drink. Okay.
I'm a dummy.
Come on.
Are you making your coffee?
Yeah. Okay, come on. Come on, Sawyer. Sawyer.
Food.
Okay. All right, let's eat, Sawyer.
Mom, did it
Muska. Muska. Hey, we need a butter on it.
I don't want the butter. I don't want the butter.
Okay, you don't want butter. Okay. Huh? Okay, hold it tight. So, tapos na kaming kumain ng breakfast, guys. O, ano na yung init. Gabi ng init. Binilhan lang namin si Sam ng breakfast niya. Yeah? What?
Shelton's gonna get some.
Come on. Come on, Sawyer.
Baby, I'll get you in. Over here, Sawyer.
To me, the sun feels hotter here.
Yeah,
Oh, of course it does.
and it's dry.
Yeah, it feels hotter.
Come here, you want to go?
Get in, get in.
Rather put
1,
you in.
2, 3. Yeah. Yeah.
I want you.
Oh,
Mommy's gonna sit like that.
you cannot sit in here.
I want you.
This is not Philippines that you can sit in front. Go now.
I can't. He's resisting.
What do you do when they resist arrest?
Allah.
You have
Hala.
to get them.
The police. I want you.
You can't sit by me.
You can have me. I'm here. There you go.
Hey, you can't be in mommy's lap because this is not Philippines. This is America.
The police will get us.
He used to eat sitting down in my lap. Allah.
Stop that screaming.
He slapped me in the face.
That's so bad. He can stay home with Sissy. I'm not going to take him with me
Oh
shopping.
my goodness. After namin kumain guys, punta muna kami sa chiropractor kasi magpa-adjust ako ng likod. At saka ihatid ko lang to kay kay Irene.
Almost dropped him.
Huh?
I almost dropped him. I got that tennis elbow and it's swollen, so it's like a knife going in when I lift anything. He almost fell out of my hand.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna ask if he can do anything about that, but
So punta na kami sa chiropractor guys. Tapos i-drop off namin to kay Irene. Dito kami guys. Oh. Coral Canyon Joint and Spine Health. No, me and Daddy.
Mommy's not touching my country, Mommy, Daddy.
Grabe. Ang gaan sa pakiramdam after na-adjust yung aking likod.
Let me try to lift you, see if I've changed anything.
My jacket.
Still hurts.
It's okay, you don't need a jacket. It's too hot. Too hot.
Probably when I lift him, it yes, I don't know.
Oh, Daddy, lying on the floor.
Yeah, that is hurting today. I should have had him pop my knee, but it's so close to surgery, I'm scared to have him do
Why
it.
are not there wearing a jacket?
It's not, because I'm hot.
It's not cold. Earlier this morning, it's cold, but right now it's hot. Kumuha ako guys ng box kanina sa post office. Galing kami sa sa Alins kasi bumili ako ng toilet tissue kasi wala na talaga kaming toilet tissue. So ngayon i-drop off ko lang siya sa post office para ipadala to kasi nagbigay din ako kay Ate Fee ng dala ko galing Pinas. So ito na siya guys, dalhin ko siya at isi-send ko siya doon sa Mississippi. So ayan, shinare ko sa kanya dahil binibigyan din niya ako ng gulay at saka nung umuwi siya sa Pinas, dinadalhan din niya ako ng Filipino food at saka yung ginamos. So dalhin na namin to doon at ibigay namin para darating siya 2 to 3 days daw. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, baka Friday darating to sa kanya. So ayan, so sharing is caring. So dalhin ko siya sa post office. Tapos from post office ay pupunta kami sa Costco para mamili na kami guys ng aming pagkain kasi wala na talaga. Empty na yung refrigerator namin at saka freezer. Kasi bago kami umalis, ginamit na namin yung yung nasa rep at saka sa freezer. So, ayan. Oh. Ang tira na lang is yung tira-tira. Ayan, ito yung drinks. Wala nang milk si Sawyer, kaya bumili na kami. At saka wala na rin yung juice. Yung aming pantry, guys, ay, ayan, magulo na naman. So, kailangan ko to siyang linisan. Yung freezer namin ay, ayan, empty na din. Ayan. Ay, hindi naman siya empty. Meron pa siyang chicken na tira, pero wala akong mga ibang, wala akong ibang karne. Wala akong pork, ganyan. So, kailangan naming pupunta sa Costco. Kasi bibili din kami ng hand towel tissue, toilet tissue. Although, nakabili na ako sa Lens, pero kunti lang yung binili ko. Ayan. Mga lang, 12 piraso, pero kailangan pa yan ng more. Kasi toilet tissue is lagi ginagamit everyday. Di ko alam kung sasama si Shelton at saka si Sam sa amin kasi nga pagod pa yung mga yun. Pero sasama yun sila. Ipo-force na sasama kasi nga baka may makita silang mga damit or backpack. Baka mayroong tinda yung Costco na backpack para sa kanila. At magustuhan nila, bibilhin na lang namin doon.
Daddy!
What?
Where's Daddy?
Daddy is upstairs.
Dad!
Huy! So, ayan guys, isend ko na. Got the receipt. So, Friday ata siya darating guys. I know.
How many days?
I think it's 5 days. $39.
29.
Oh, $29. 29.95 cents. 29.95 cents, guys. Andito na kami guys sa Costco. Ayan, oh. Grocery time. Oh, it's very hot. You wanna put your key in my bag? Shelton, get your brother hand. Oh, you want me? You want me. This one? Did you add it? This one?
Yeah,
It was.
can you put those down here so we can have them for vegetables?
Okay. Look, it's $24.99.
Whoa.
That's really nice. I have to take a picture. So, ayan guys. Puno na ang isang cart. Nakadalawang basket din kami guys. Ayan. Sawyer. Asawa. Ayan, yung pinamili namin. So, tapos na ako guys sa Kroger or sa Smith's namili ng wala doon sa Costco. So, ang na-spend ko lang sa Smith's guys is $120. Lagay ko muna to sa loob. Andito na kami sa bahay guys. Sila si asawa at mga bata ang unload sa groceries. So ito yung nabili namin sa Costco. Yung ribs na beef, ayan. Tapos yung riblets, pork riblets. Tapos beef back ribs pang sabaw. Tapos tomatoes, Tapos lemon, Hawaiian bread, apple, orange, ano po, tawag dito, asparagus, cucumber, mayroon ding, ano guys, power greens, orange, salad na organic, tapos grapes, 2 grapes, yan, tapos yung fave ko na cherries, tapos pumili na ako, ito binili ko to sa ano guys, sa tawag dito Smith, tapos shrimp, tapos blueberries 2, carrots at bell pepper, yung orange na maliliit, mandarin pala guys, tapos mayroong ano tawag dito, ewan ko ano to, para siyang melon, sweet melon, extra sweet melon. Oh, Sawyer is helping.
Look at the size difference.
Yeah, it's big. So, bumili kami ng backpack ni Shelton. Ayan.
Are we gonna give this to Johnny?
Yeah, ito yung old niya na backpack at saka ito yung new na
I'm gonna
backpack.
put this in.
So, at mangga, ayan. Bumili na kami ng mangga. So, ito pa ang cheese variety pack. 4 ata siya na flavor. Swiss, Colby Jack, cheddar, at saka Monterey Jack. So, at saka may green beans. Mayroong, ano ba to? Tawag dito. What is this?
Pears.
Pears. Nakalimutan ko. So, ito pa, 2 yung binili ko ito kasi sale siya sa Costco. 2 box. Yan, at saka yan. Sawyer's Fave. Tapos, avocado oil. Corn. Yan. 8 pack na corn. Tapos, nahubusan kami ng Ziploc. Yan. Ang mahal ng Ziploc, guys. $12 ang isa nito. Ayan. So, 4 binili ko.
Look, Mom, I'm strong.
Tapos, bumili din ako ng ginger. Ayan. Luya. Tapos, mustard greens. Spring onions. Tapos, sibuyas. At saka kamatis. Ayan. Sa Smith ko siya binili guys kasi wala akong nakita doon sa Costco na luya. At saka yung kamatis nila ay hindi Roma tomatoes. So, ito pa. 2 binili ko nito ang cherries. Yeah. Tapos, bumili ako ng chicken. Na 2 chicken na buo. Ando nilagay na sa freezer. Tapos, ini popcorn. Tapos, 5 ata ito na strawberry. Ayan. Tapos, eto, meatballs para sa asawa ko. At para sa strawberry, ang whipping cream. Ang binili ko guys ay Kroger brand. Tapos, ano pa ba to? At saka yung sweet onions, ayan. Another mangoes. Tapos, another power greens. Tapos, turkey and ham. Yan, para sa kanilang sandwich. Lahat to guys ay worth sa Costco is $800. At saka sa Kroger naman ay $120 plus change. Yun guys. So, dahil hindi kami nakapag-grocery ng 2 months, yun yung aming na gastos sa Kroger at saka sa Costco. At ito pa siya guys. Ita-try namin to kung masarap ba to na noodles. Korean noodles. Spicy beef. So, ita-try namin yan. At bumili din ako ng 2 tawag ito cereal para sa mga bata. At saka yung sa asawa ko na organic quinoa plus brown rice. So, ita-try niya to kung mag-spike yung kanyang sugar ay hindi na niya kakainin. Ako ang kakain yan, guys. So, yun lang, guys. For today's video, ayan. Yung ibang karne ay nilagay na ni asawa sa freezer.